Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda and today is National Donut Day. What better way to celebrate than to make some double chocolate donuts? First, in a large bowl, you're going to combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of espresso powder. Use a whisk to mix everything very well. After that, add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup of whole milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 large eggs to your bowl. Mix until a nice smooth batter forms. Pour your batter into a piping bag, and then you're going to pipe the batter into a standard 6-count donut pan that's been generously sprayed with some cooking spray, and you'll fill them about halfway. You're going to bake your donuts in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until a cake tester inserted into the center of your donut comes out clean, or the donuts are nice and springy to the touch. Transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. To make our glaze, you'll need to combine 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 tablespoon of vegetable shortening. You're going to microwave it on 30-second intervals, stirring in between until your glaze is nice and smooth. Carefully take your donuts and dip the top half of the donut into your glaze. Return them to the wire rack and then chill your donuts until the glaze has set about 10 to 15 minutes. Our double chocolate cake donuts are done and they are perfect for celebrating National Donut Day today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me again next week.